Coppicing is a very old method of farming trees, and it involves cutting the branches of trees right down low. And things traditionally like elms and oaks and ash and willows have been used, but did you know you can also coppice many Australian eucalypts? This eucalyptus is Eucalyptus cladocalyx vintage red. That's the cultivar, and look at its magnificence. It blends in with all these other natives in this wonderful meadow type garden. But it's a coppiced plant. Normally this tree would grow 6 to 8 metres high and about 4 or 5 metres wide. It's quite a big tree. I love the growth on it though. That new growth is just beautiful. And by coppicing, you get plenty of that new growth with that beautiful sun coming through it. The colours are so rich. Have a look down here and you can see exactly where the coppice took place. They sawed that off, and then this new growth has come from the epicormic buds down the stem. The tree is still well and truly living and will continue doing that. And every couple of years they'll just take off these young stems and let new ones grow to keep it young and fresh. This is another eucalyptus that's been coppiced. It's called Eucalyptus pulverulenta, or its common name lives up to this one. It's the silver-leafed gum, and it's a good one for coppicing. You can see what they've done. They've let the original tree grow up, then they've cut the stump back, and because it's a lignotuber or a mallee plant, it's forced the dormant shoots, the epicormic shoots on the side of the trunk to come out like that, and you've formed 7 beautiful branches around the tree. It's a very architectural look. It looks fantastic with these amazing Australian grasses all massed around. This gum tree has been coppiced a long time ago. Several years ago it grew out. These branches now need to be replaced because the leaves look tired and a little bit unhealthy. You could, depending on the size of the branch, you could use a very good long-handled lopper that gets through thick branches, or your secateurs might do the job. In this case, I'm going to use a saw, and that saw will take a few saws to get through, and then that will encourage the branches to reshoot and become much more healthy looking. So you can see that coppicing is a great technique, especially if you've got a small space and you can keep the tree to that small size. Because you've got the roots in place already, the soil is stable, and also you don't have to spend time or effort or money on a new plant. You've already got the plant there ready to reshoot. So get coppicing.